Okay, Krishna Mohan Singh.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about yourself.
So my name is Krishna Mohan Singh. My father's name is Mr. Brajen Kumar Singh. My mother's name is Srimati Umila Devi. I have graduated I have graduated in civil engineering from BIET Jhansi.
Why an civil engineer want to be a police officer?
Sir, I can use my civil engineering degree in police services, like in case of resource management, like in case of disaster management. And also, sir, if I get posted in any kind of difficult terrain, I would know better than others how to pass in that terrain or how to sustain ourselves in that terrain.
Suppose that you have to choose a place for your team in a remote area.
Yes, sir.
Which type of terrain you will choose?
Sir, I will choose mountainous terrain, especially when I have to be in top of that mountain, so that if enemy battalions are in downward side of that mountain, then we can easily eliminate them.
You opted CRPF as the fifth position. Why so?
So it's just a matter of preference. Ultimately, I know कि I can get allotted any of the forces to serve in.
What is your hobbies?
Sir, I have a hobby of running in morning hours and volunteering in NGOs.
Volunteering?
In NGO, I do, sir. I volunteer in Umeed, a Drop of Hope NGO, every Sunday in morning hours, sir.
Okay. What is the difference between the jogging and the running?
Sir, the basic difference is about the speed, sir. While jogging, we run slow, and while running, we have a speed which is more than while jogging.
Tell me about the CRPF.
Sorry, sir, I didn't read about these forces at this time.
Okay, can you tell me the vested officer structure of organization in UP?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, tell me the main social problems of the UP.
Sir, the major problem is casteism, which is prevalent especially in eastern areas of UP. And
Okay, tell me which of the social program launched by the UP government is best for the UP?
social program. Sorry, sir, I don't know about programs at this point.
Are you comfortable with mask?
No, sir, actually, I am feeling too much heat at
You
this
can
place.
put it out.
Okay, sir.
Are you comfortable now?
Yeah,
Krishna Mohan.
yes, sir.
There are two words which are joined together. What does it mean?
Sir, actually, this is name of Lord Krishna. Both are names of Lord Krishna. My parents choose both of them to be combined together in my name. So
So you don't find out any kind of qualities like the Krishna and Mohan in your personality itself.
I find that, sir.
You find.
Yeah,
What
sir.
kind of quality do you find out?
Sir, dealing with problems, okay, how to deal with problems, so that it don't affect others.
Yes, please. what do you know about the Kushinagar?
Sir, I am from that place. Sir, it's actually capital of Mal dynasty, one of the 16 Mahajanpadas which are mentioned in Anguttar Nikaya.
How many Mahajanpadas?
16, sir,
Can you
16.
tell me the name of all those Mahajanpadas?
So I don't know all the names of all Mahajanpadas, but I can name a few.
Yes.
Like Sir Matsya, Ang, Malla dynasty, Kosal, yeah sir, I remember these much names.
What is Naxalism?
Sir, actually it's a kind of ideology
Okay.
which whose main purpose is to create a red corridor and overthrow the government by establishing a communist regime so that they can rule according to the.
But there are Golden Corridor also. Have you heard about the Golden Corridor?
No sir, I don't heard about golden corridor.
You are not familiar with the Golden
No sir, didn't read it anywhere.
Corridor. What about the Red Corridor?
I don't get it sir.
Do you know about the Red Corridor areas?
Yeah sir, it's from Nepal to Andhra,
Okay.
encompassing states of eastern parts of Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra, and Telangana, some parts of Telangana.
So Uttar Pradesh is also having.
No
this
sir,
kind?
no,
Uttar Pradesh has Naxalism.
no sir.
Sonbhadra is not.
Yeah sir, Sonbhadra has.
Why there is a penetration of left-wing extremism in your state?
Yes sir.
Why the left-wing extremism has penetrated in your state?
Sir, it's about implementation of government programs in that tribal belt of Sonbhadra area. Maybe they were not getting the policies of government in the way the policies are meant to be.
How will you solve this problem?
Sir, the main way with which we can solve these problems is that we should have a dialogue with that people, which is currently done by government of India. But I should have dialogue with them that led me to understand what's their main problem. Like sir, they were mainly having problem of alienation from the mainstream society. Also due to destruction of their forest, which is mismanagement of their forest, and they don't get rights, forest rights which usually they used to get before. So I will solve all that problem sir. So
You will solve all the kind of.
no, I will talk to them. How I can solve? I can't solve all the problems alone, na sir. We would talk to them, and then I will try, and maybe I can solve.
How this knowledge of civil engineering will help in Central Armed Police Forces?
Sir, resource management, sir.
Resource?
Management.
How?
Sir, how to use any kind of resource in a better way, efficient way. I learned that in civil engineering, how to make most of it from a certain amount of resources. So I can use that in Central Armed Police Forces while getting resources for lot of things like the foodstuffs of our battalion, like arms of our battalion, how to use them in a most efficient manner.
What do you know about the Cobra?
Sir, it's a commando battalion for resolute action. It's a specialized wing of CRPF which deals with Naxal areas in Andhra Pradesh actually.
Naxal area in Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh.
Only they have been deployed there.
Sir, it's a specialized wing of CRPF, so it can be deployed anywhere. But at present, it's mainly actionable in that areas only, as far as I know, sir.
Okay. What was AFSPA?
Sir, it's Armed Forces Special Powers Act. Yes, sir.
What were the issues related with this?
Actually, sir, AFSPA gives military powers, too much powers, which through which their actions can't be called in any kind of called in question in any court of law. So issues are there, sir. They are sir, sorry, sir.
What do you know about the Human Rights Commission?
Sir, it's a commission which is formed to question any kind of law or any kind of actions of government or any kind of individual actions which is harming rights of any individual, which are not only mentioned in constitution but which every individual get by their birth. So that they can act, they have to take action against that only, sir.
Who is the Director General of CRPF?
Sir, sir, I don't read about these forces. I told it.
Any of the forces you have?
No, sir. Till now I didn't read any of the forces.
Why CISF is your first preference?
Sir, CISF is my first preference because, sir, it gives me a varied exposure to serve in both urban and rural areas.
Other than this one?
Sir, it's just a matter of preference, because if we can say that it's a safe force, then that's not the matter, sir. If on one posting we have to serve in Delhi Metro, then in other maybe I can get posted in Chhattisgarh, Naxalite areas like NMDC Chhattisgarh. So it's just a matter of preference, sir. I prefer.
So why not last one? Why only first?
So out of 5 I have to choose one, na. So CISF gives me varied exposure.
Okay. Can you tell me the role of the BSF?
Sir, BSF is first line of defense for the country. It serves in areas from Gujarat to Rajasthan, and what about this one? Sorry, sir, I didn't read about actually these forces now, so I'll read it.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University.
Yes, sir.
What do you know about the Dr. Kalam?
Sir, he is 11th President of India, and he is also known as Missile Man of India.
Okay.
He was also involved during the Pokhran test of our nuclear test, and that's it, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
You have applied for ND also,
Yes, sir.
then Central Armed Police Forces. Suppose you would be appointed as an IS officer, then and right now suppose you have been appointed as an assistant commandant,
Yes, sir.
and in the forthcoming year you are selected in civil services.
Yes, sir.
What will you do?
Sir, from beginning, I choose to be a grade A officer, and if I will get qualified in civil services, I'll join that, sir, because direct dealing with public is in that services. In armed police forces, you don't directly deal with public, so the problems of public you can solve while being in civil services. You can't do that in Central Armed Police Forces.
It's better to join the politics then.
No, sir. Joining civil services doesn't mean कि you are joining politics. That's a grade A service, na, sir.
The political spectrum, the political platform provide you the broader spectrum to serve the people, interact with them, solve their problem, involve with their.
But sir, actually political representatives don't solve their problems, na. They only deal with policies and other things. The main implementing agency is the civil services. So they are implementing that programs. So they better deal with public, na, sir.
Okay. And it means what you are here. You are not going to perform that task. What you are intending to do for the people.
Yes, sir.
Then. Tell me your weaknesses.
Sir, the biggest weakness is public speaking, sir. Right now, others are sir, easy trust on someone. Sir, insecurity of getting public response. If I will say something, what they will say. And societal fear, simply sir, societal fear.
And that is societal fear also.
That is suicidal fear also, sir.
You are working in NGO also,
Yes, sir. Umeed NGO.
Umeed NGO.
Yes, sir.
In which field it is working?
Actually, sir, it's working in 3 fields: in planting trees, in distributing clothes to the poor people, and in sir educating the people of slum areas.
What is the
Children.
unique idea of that NGO?
Sir, drop of hope.
No,
No, sir.
unique ID that might be registered under the Niti Aayog.
Yes, sir. I don't know that.
Do you know about the NGO Darpan?
Yes, sir.
What exactly it is?
Sir, it is about the registration of NGOs. How they are working, they should be registered in Niti Aayog. That government should have record of them.
So under how many category it has been registered? The NGO which you have joined, you have been working.
Sir, I don't know how many
There
categories.
might be certain areas.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Krishna Mohan, can you tell me what is the freedom of expression or freedom of speech?
Sir, it's about you can say anything, but that doesn't take away the rights of other individuals, like right to equality, right to life, right to have privacy. You can say anything, but that shouldn't hurt others' rights.
Okay, can you tell me about the Article 32?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's about judicial remedies, the writ jurisdiction of Supreme Court.
Okay, thank you.
Last question from my side.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me some active state actors in our country?
No, sir. Active state actors.